Hello and thank you for watching Sunny Views, where I give my reviews, how-tos, and point of views. And today I have the AquaHome Source 15 stage shower filter. Now, I bought this shower filter, one, because it's a lot cheaper than getting a water softener for your whole house, and two, there's a couple girls in my house that have curly hair and it dries out all the time. So a substitute for the home softener would be to get a shower filter for the shower that you use. Most houses do have hard water, mine does, and so you can tell that by if you don't clean the shower walls for a week or two and you get like that watery film that stays on the walls that you have to clean over and over. That's because you have hard water. Soft water just runs right off. It also doesn't dry your skin as much, therefore you can save on conditioner as far as your hair. You can save on using as much lotion when you're done with the shower, so your skin's not real dry and clammy. So I picked this one up. This is on Amazon. I bought this one for about 25 bucks. Home Depot does have a version of it. It's not as it's not as thick as this one. The filter at the Home Depot one's it's about half the size, and that one goes for about 20 bucks. Sprite is the brand that Home Depot carries. So I went online and went and ordered my own version of it again on Amazon. I got it. This one is 15 stages. I'll go over that in just a moment, as you can see by the different stages of filtration that it has to go through. AquaHomeGroup Universal High Performance Shower Filter. Let's open you up, see what you look like inside, what you come with, and all that fun stuff. All right, box one, got some paperwork in there. What do we have here? AquaHomeGroup cartridge replacement instructions. All right, the instructions on how to install it. You can go ahead and pause that, take a look, see if yours looks the same. If not, if it's different, we'll place that to the side. What else does it come with? Dump the box. Anything else in there? Nope. Box to the side. We have the water filtration housing here. What are these for? I have no idea what these are for, to be honest. It says, oh, shower caps. Ha! They give you shower caps. Are you serious? That is funny. Shower cap. They give you a white one, a pink one, a blue one, a white one, and a yellow one. Look at that. You get a 5-pack of shower caps. Go figure. All right, small roll of Teflon tape, which is always good to have around whenever you're doing water and pipe thread. Teflon tape is a key portion of that. That's going to go around these, and I'll go over that when I do the install of this. This we have. Looks like the actual filter. And a Ziploc in a box. To the side. Yeah, it looks like the filter. Looks like the filter. Oh, that's where that's where the instructions come in. Flush the water through the filter first. Then you remove the shower head, replace the filter cartridge, and reinstall the shower head. So you gotta flush the filter first. So we're gonna run water through the holes, it says. You're gonna run the water through here. How much water? It says for about 20 seconds or until water runs clear. I'm assuming that's to get the little dust and sediment that builds up from the factory. I'm gonna open this up. We have here some O-rings. Anything else in there? Nope, throw it to the side. Some O-rings and the ring for the washer, where that's gonna go in there. When you screw it on to the shower arm coming out the wall, that's gonna screw onto there. Your shower head's gonna attach to here. Water's gonna flow through the filtration system, which I wanna say has to get put in by us. No, it comes with two. Really? Oh, sure does. Look at that. Comes with two. Wait, is autofocus? Come on. Includes optional cartridge. Oh, that's great. So it comes with one, so you don't have to worry about it. Does it come with the ring already on there? It feels like there's a rubber on there. I'm sure you can see it. All right, so holes go where the shower head goes through. So your main goes through here. Any rings here? That's gonna need to be attached to it. Instructions don't show. Oh, they're just spare O-rings. That's great. They give you spare O-rings. Now, I don't trust I'm not gonna lie, I don't trust this part here. Again, there's no ring here. Is there a ring on the inside? No, there's no ring. So we'll have to find out after we install it, but I don't trust it because if there's no seal, water will let you know that it's not sealed and come out. So we might need to use one of these extra O-rings that they give us. And of course you use your Teflon tape. So yeah, that's the unboxing, and let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed. We'll get back to you on that and see how this thing looks and flows, and we'll find out if water actually comes through this thing. All right, be right back. All right, we're in our shower, and at this moment we currently have the, I want to say this is the Home Depot Delta Intuition shower head. It's a 2-in-1, not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. It's nice to have if you and your partner taking a shower, or it's good to have for here, and you have the option to clean your wall and so forth. We're gonna take this off. So to take this off, I have the channel lock because of the channels. Get it set, not too tight. Now, because this is plastic, and a lot of them are plastic, I have a cloth here to get a good grip on it so I don't break it. You get a nice good grip. Once you get it turned a couple times, the rest should be able to be done by hand. Usually, this one's on pretty good, and this one wants to turn with me. That's cool. As long as it comes off. As long as it comes off. Oh, this is not bad. Now, there probably might be some, yep, there it is. There's the hello water. Put this to the side. There's some existing tape on there, so I would like to get it off and start off fresh. At least as fresh as possible. You can't get it off because a lot of times they're old. Don't let it go down the drain. A lot of times they're old, so they might really be on there good. So they did give us a Teflon tape, so might as well use the free one that came with. It's not really free because you still paid for it, but we're going to use that one. And you want to go counterclockwise with the threads that come off the shower head. So just wrap this bad boy. You want to get it as tight as possible. I mean, once you start screwing it on, it's going to do its job anyway and become tight, but as tight as possible. Not too many layers. One round should be enough. One good round should be enough. You'll feel it when you start to screw it on. It's going to get real tight. That's because of the pipe threads. Now, the instructions did say to flush it for about 20 seconds, the filter inside. So I did flush the filter inside for 20 seconds. It did come with an O-ring, the small one. You got to put that in there first. And let's get this on. Going to tighten this hand tight. Alright, my hand tight's a little different than your hand tight. That's on, and again, we have male threads, so whenever you got male threads on any water fittings, you're going to use your handy dandy Teflon tape. If it didn't come with it, Home Depot sells them for about $1 a roll. I mean, it's really cheap and well worth the price for what it does for you. And you can use this for a next job or any other side work you might have to do when it comes to any water plumbing fixtures. And let's put this thing on there. And then, oh, this is tight because the ball bearing on this head is a tight ball bearing. There we go. Allow this to spin. Okay, I'm gonna attach this on there. Oh, it might make this other part come off. Now there's a washer in there. There's also a washer in this head for this. This is why there's no threads. There's a washer will hold it. But since I have this open, I might as well, since I have all this extra Teflon tape. Teflon dog. Might as well wrap these threads up since there's a nice little coat on there. And let's get this bad boy on there. Wear it out. Am I twisting the right way? My head's probably in the way because my right hand is on there, but I'm tightening it up. All right, now I did drop it down a lot lower, so I mean, I'm about 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. So keep in mind what this will do. So the other options are there's different shower heads you can put on there. That's a little bit more work, but this is probably not the best head. So the best head for these will probably be the stationary one. This is the deeper 15 stage, quote unquote. The other one's a little thinner, but it does drop it down a lot. So you might have to face it outward more as far as for your showers. And let's turn this bad boy on. Alright, and the good thing about water is that if there's any leaks, it will tell you immediately. All pretty dry still. Water's coming out. And that has been the installation of the AquaSource water filter for your shower heads. So hopefully this works out pretty good for the family, for the wife. Hopefully she enjoys it. Makes her hair good. Less water mildew on the wall. And hope I got my money's worth. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.